Say morning, guys.
Morning, guys.
Say we're off to Granny's.
I said Granny's.
Morning, guys. Wobbleboxadventures. Hope you're all safe out there with all this coronavirus going about. We're trying to make the best of today. We've got to go and pick up some Mother's Day cakes from our local cake shop to support our local business. And then we're going to go and deliver them to the grandparents, but we're going to put them outside and then phone them to tell them to come and pick them up from outside the front of the house. So we're not going to go near them, we're just going to get them ready for them. So Riley's coming with us because he's just going to come for a little trip in the car because he hasn't been out. So we just thought if he comes out in the car for an hour, at least then he's been out of the house and it's a change of scenery for us all. So I hope you're all well. Thank you for all your messages about Riley. He's doing really well, as you can see at the beginning or at the end. And we'll just do a little vlog of where we go today. Obviously, we're really saddened by a lot of our shows this year have been cancelled. Already, we've lost around about 4 or 5 shows. We've lost one of the holidays, and we've probably lost our big holiday to Club Mac in the summer. But it's just what it is, isn't it, at the moment? Nobody can really do anything about it. We've just all got to see where this all goes. And we're hoping that something will come around that maybe we can still get out and about by the end of the year to do a few things. We did have a really busy year planned this year, and it's just gone. But hey, we got to make the most of what we got. We live in a beautiful area. I live right up on top of the mountain, so we can go out without anybody really being in contact with us. So hopefully we can give you some local shots of what we do where we live. Okay, see you in a minute. So guys, short little trip up to our local town, Blaenavon. We're going to the Flower Girls who make the cakes for special occasions and cupcakes. We're supporting some of our local companies in this hard times. So Riley's sat in the back watching his YouTube, but at least there's somewhere different for him to be rather than in the house for 5 minutes. And then we're going to go and drop it off at the grandparents' house, and hopefully they're all nice and safe and everyone's surviving, I suppose, at the moment. We don't really know what's going on in the world at the moment, do we? I think we're being told one thing in media and then they change it, then it's a little bit more serious than we think, and then I don't know, just can't get my head around it really. It's a little bit out there at the moment. Hopefully we'll find out a bit more soon. Okay, stick with us. So we're travelling in the T4 today. If ever you come to Blaenavon, little car park just in the centre. If you walk just down the slope from there, there's an ATM and there's a toilet. I know a couple of people stay up on the Keeper's Pond, which isn't far from here, so yeah, local toilets by there, an ATM just down on the corner by there. And then if ever you're here and you want the most amazing cakes, because everyone's got to have a treat, haven't they? If you just look up this hill, the place with the pink blinds just by there, that's the cake place where you can go and get your cakes. At the moment they're only doing takeaway because of this coronavirus, so we've just made our order and we're just going to go and pick them up now. So guys, these are the cakes we've had made for Mother's Day for the grannies. So we're going to go and deliver them now outside the house, so they got a treat whilst they're in at the moment. Morning, Cal.
Morning.
So guys, this is the plan. Mother's Day in action. I'm going to open the door, put them in the hallway. I can dettle the door handle and everything then for Granny, and she can have her presents for Mother's Day.
she's in the window.
Okay, left over there and I've done your door handle. There we go. Don't know if you can see, but there's Granny inside. She's got her flowers. Alright? Yeah, you can see.
Everyone.
So guys, thanks for watching. Only a quick vlog of what we were doing for Mother's Day, and that it doesn't have to be stopped. It can be done quite safely and everything. Hope you all stay safe out there. If there's anything we can do, or you want to talk to anybody, or you're bored or anything like that, just get in touch with us. And I know a lot of YouTubers are doing daily vlogs at the moment to keep some entertainment coming in for everybody to watch. We'll see what we can produce from home. Riley's always doing something that we can video, I'm sure. So okay, hope you stay safe again, and we'll see you soon.